Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we all are aware of the Friday horror story. For the last couple of months, nothing was working, especially during the US session on Friday, and market was crazy. But now we can see that Monday is playing the role of Friday, especially Monday mornings. Usually Monday mornings were very silent, low volume, but now we can see that Monday morning is very crazy, full of volatility and nothing works. The movement that we witnessed on the chart of gold right after the market opening was due to the upside on the chart of DXY. If you guys know the correlation between DXY and gold, then you also must be knowing that the correlation was not working perfectly for the last couple of months. There was a time when we used to see candle by candle correlation, but when the geopolitical tension came up, both DXY and gold started going up at the same time, and the correlation was not working perfectly. And last week we saw a good amount of correction on the chart of DXY or US dollar index. There was a time when we thought that if DXY would cross 105.75, it would be a downtrend. But a news changed the game again. And this is the power of the news. This is the power of the fundamental. As I always say, my dear friends, we always need to keep in mind that though we do technical analysis, though we look at levels, charts and all, but ultimately the news fundamentals decide the trend of the market. So what was the news? Dollar strengthens amid Trump's tariff threat against BRICS. And this was a big news for the world, and due to which we got to see a good amount of upside, or you can say the recovery on the chart of DXY. You can see the structure of DXY was bearish. It was forming lower highs and lower lows, and now we can see the structure is changing. So and this up move was the reason because of which we got to see a good amount of pressure on the chart of gold. Right now it is still not clear whether we will get to see the candle by candle correlation or not, but there was a sudden buying power on the chart of US dollar, okay, because of which we got to see pressure on the chart of gold. So now we need to play a little safe. My dear friends, the most common question that I get is, Avila suggest a good broker, Avila suggest a reliable broker. Then my dear friends, you can visit my website. Okay, you will find many options here. I have not mentioned the common options that are available in the market like XNES and OctaFX. Okay, I have some serious reasons that I cannot mention publicly. But if you are looking for a reliable broker that will provide safety to your funds, good spread, good smooth deposit and withdrawal, then you can consider these options. Okay, and if you're confused, okay, after reading all of these, okay, then you can just fill this form here. I will get back to you with the best option, because as a trader our requirements are very limited. Okay, but sadly a single broker cannot provide everything. For example, if you're a position trader, swing trader, your first priority should be swap free account. Okay, if you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, then low spread should be your first priority. So, okay, you need to consider many things. So you can just fill this form here. I will recommend a good broker to you. My dear friends, on Saturday, we discussed about the limited upside on the chart of gold. We also discussed that we have a high chance of market staying between 2650 to 2600 this week. And what was the reason? The reason was these contracts data. And market closed around 2650, and we can clearly see that our resistance or the contracts at 2650 really work. And now also we can see that the contracts at 2650 are still standing. So if market goes up also, the road is not going to be an easy one. At least before NFP we can expect that this range of gold will remain. So during the day, if market tries to recover also, okay, technically on the chart of gold we have a resistance around 2665. Okay, the level, okay, that market failed to break. So obviously technically 2665 will act as resistance, but before 2665, okay, we also have 2650 on the chart of gold acting as resistance. If we draw FIBO here, my dear friend, my beloved FIBO, I can see I have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, but most importantly, we also have the contract standing around 2650. So during the day, if market tries to recover, observe the market around 2650 area. If market shows price ejection from above, if market shows reversal signs according to expectations, then look for a sell position. Do not place sell positions blindly because our capital is limited. We cannot gamble with our hard-earned money. Okay. If you see that, okay, there is a trend reversal sign, then only hit the sell button with risk management. And you can also look for a sell around. Okay, you can also look for a sell around 2639 area because of the 100 moving average here. This will be working as the new resistance. Okay, but 2639 is not very reliable. If you see market going up with small candles, low volume, then only as a day trader you can expect a sell opportunity. Otherwise this will not work. 2650, 2665 are the levels that have the potential. On Saturday we also discussed about two resistance levels. Those are still valid: 2677, 2679 and 2695 to 2700. But chances of market going to these levels are very less. So let's not waste time discussing about 2700 and all. We only need to focus on this particular portion of the market. So at this moment, 2650 seems to be a good resistance, and 2665. 2639 is not very reliable level. Time will speak. Okay. And what about support then? My dear friends, we have two supports or buy zones on the chart of gold right now. The first level is 2610 to 2605. Okay. Because of previous support around this area, we can expect that as a day trader, at least we will get to see a good bounce. Okay, and if market breaks it due to some reason, then the next support will be around 26002 to 2595. Okay, why we're considering this area? Because 2600 is a round number, it's a psychological level, and you must be knowing that psychological levels or these round numbers are very important because of highest order execution around these areas. And if you want to see this data, yes, we also have, I won't say very good, but more decent contracts. Okay, so at least as a day trader, we can expect a good bounce around 2600. Okay, and if you're a positional trader, swing trader, this is not the ideal time. On Saturday also we discussed that, okay, as a positional trader, swing trader, okay, you just need to, okay, wait and watch because we don't have any clarity. Maybe after NFP we will get a clear picture. Okay, then you can jump again. But right now this week, okay, may remain a little choppy. So level to level trading is going to be the best solution. We are traders. We cannot be arrogant, adamant. We need to be flexible. Flexibility is very important for any trader to survive. Again, repeating, my dear friends, on the chart of gold, we got to see some good amount of selling pressure right after the market opening. But we discussed about the range of gold on Saturday. So the range of gold, okay, is still the same. If market breaks this range, then things will be different and we will have to plan, okay, again. But right now, okay, 2650, 2600 seems to be the current range of gold, and this range may remain till the NFP. If market drops big time, you can look for a buy around 2600 to 2595 and 2610 2605. These are the two support levels. If you want to look for if you want some risky trade also, okay, then you can also look for a sell below 2620 or 2621. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden downside with heavy selling pressure, so as a day trader you can look for a sell below 2621 2620 as well. During the day, if market tries to go up, you can look for a sell around 2650 area because of many reasons that we just discussed. We can also look for a sell around 2665 area as well. The rest of the resistances are not very reliable right now. Because they are far away. 2639 is little skeptical, dicey level. Time will speak. And my dear friends, as I have already declared, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support for both Hindi and English learners. It's a workshop designed for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. If you are struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years, then this can be the best solution because this is the world's most affordable workshop. Okay, so these are the dates here. You can see Hindi classes 27, 28, 29th of December. English classes 20th, 21st, and 22nd of December. And these are the timings here. As I said, okay, 7 classes. So you can see the next 4 classes, the weekly sessions, okay, our dates are mentioned here. I have kept gaps because the learning is important, but execution and understanding is also important, because if we learn at a stretch, we also forget that we learn at the beginning. So okay, we need to learn, execute. Okay, so I have kept gaps here, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the weekly sessions. And if you are from India, if you're a resident of India, there will be a special session because forex trading is little difficult in India. Okay, and you will also get risk management guide, discipline guide, free checklist, okay, lot size calculator, etc, etc. Okay, and as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis in a WhatsApp group, and we also have a Telegram community for interaction purpose. It's a colorful community. If you want to see how does it look like, just click here. Okay, you will see a video. You'll get a basic idea. And how to join? Okay, you can see if you're only interested with the workshop and 1 month support, okay, it's only $20 or 1500 for Indians. And if you're looking for longer relationship, because the trading takes time, in 1 month, okay, sometimes it is very difficult to understand everything and grab everything. And if you're also looking for personal sessions, then you can sign up for semi-annual and lifetime. Okay, you can see in semi-annual, you will receive 6 months support with 2 personal sessions, and in lifetime support, okay, obviously you'll be my friend. Okay, and there will be 6 personal sessions. Okay, everything is mentioned here. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay, just ask me. And after the payment, just share a screenshot here. Okay, or sorry, these are the payment methods. Okay, after the payment, okay, share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, and if you have any doubts also, you can WhatsApp here. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.